friends, and welcome to another Read With Me. We are reading 5 Little Raindrops today. I colored this book special for you. If you have a copy, follow along. This one is a whole lot of fun. It involves both math and some rhyming poetry. Are you ready? Let's get started. 5 Little Raindrops. 5 little raindrops fell from the sky. The first one said, "Whee! I can fly." The second one said, "Ready, set, go." The third one said, "Look out below." The fourth one said, "Wait for me, everyone." The fifth one said, "Here comes the sun." And that was the end of the raindrops fun. Now, did you see on every page there's a special square? Would you like to fill in the squares with me? I think we should. Let's do some counting together. Let's look for a number. 5 little raindrops. 5 is a number. Fell from the sky. The first one said, First means number 1. Whee! I can fly. What do you think we should put here? How many raindrops fell down from the sky? Bing. You're right. It was 1. 1 raindrop fell from the sky. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 raindrops left. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little raindrops and 1 fell down. They're subtracting. 5 minus 1 is 4. Whoa, that is some pretty cool math. Let's find out what goes in the next box. The second one said, second means number 2. Ready, set, go. So we should put number 2. Yeah. Number 2 comes after number 1. 1, 2. There you go, little 2. What comes next? The third one said, third means 3. 3. Look out below. What number comes next? What's your guess? Was it 3? You'd be right. Number 3. You can go back and check. 1, 2, 3. Great job. The fourth one said, "Wait for me, everyone." Fourth, look at it closely, has a 4 in it. Fourth means fourth. Fourth. So let's put a number. 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. We have one last page. What is 1 more than 4? The fifth one said, fifth means 5. Here comes the sun. That was the end of the raindrops fun. Number 5. Let's put 5 in the space. Are there any more clouds? Nope. It said it was the end. We counted to 5. And we started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We We counted through all of them, and you did a great job. Thank you so much for learning with me. I'm so excited to see you here again. I love you. Bye-bye.